Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. This video will discuss about if the given number is Armstrong number or not. So before getting to that, we should understand what is Armstrong number. So if it is 3 number, we can say that the sum of cube of its digit. So I have mentioned here the sum of cube of its digits is equal to the number itself. That means if you take the 3-digit number, suppose I will take 3 number, that is I will take 371. The sum of its number, so sum means 3 plus 4 plus 1, so that should be equal to the same number itself. What exactly that's the meaning? The sum of the cube means the number of digit. So as I have taken the 3-digit number, so I should consider as a cube. So the each digit the power of 3. Okay, I need to make it power of 3. This also I will consider as a cube of 3. Okay, so that case it should become 371. Once again I'll explain you. So Armstrong number, if it is a 3-digit number, the sum of the cube of its digit is equal to the same number itself. So in that case only we can say that the number is Armstrong. Similarly, if I take 153, 170 and 407, if you consider these numbers and all, these are Armstrong numbers. Now we should write the logic. How to write the logic? So what and all the prerequisites we required? So first we need to, once you get the number, suppose I have taken 371 as a input data. Okay, it is a 3-digit number. So in that case, I need to make this format. The input digit I should convert into this format so that I'll get some data. I will compare the final output with the given output. If both are same, I will make it as it is a given number. If given number is Armstrong, otherwise I will display as a given number is not Armstrong. Okay, I have written the setup code for this. So first is we need to get the data from the keyboard. So either you can directly hard code it or you can take from the scanner class. I have taken the data from the scanner class. That's what this already multiple times I explained in the previous program. So how to get the data from the through scanner class, right? First we need to create an object of the scanner class with the system.in as the input parameter, saving the enter data into the variable that is in the integer type. Next step is I need to declare some variable here, because this why all these are required I will tell you in couple of minutes. Now I'll move on to the next step, that is now we need to calculate number of digit available in the given string, given input data. So how to calculate the suppose in this case I have, and suppose if I enter 371 here, right? So I need to calculate how many digit. In this case 3 digit we have. The digit we are calculating because we need to make it power of the individual digit. If it is a 3-digit, I need to make power of 3. If it is 4-digit, if I take the 3712, I need to make it, this is 4. To get this power data, so I need to calculate how many digits are available here. So this I will get by using the on the while loop until the num is greater than or 0. So it will continue the loop. So first I will divide num by 10. So this piece of code will calculate the number of digit available in the given input data. This is as simple as like we are keep on reducing the number by 10, so that I'm incrementing by 1, so that final output, the after completion of this loop, the count will have how many numbers we have in the given data. Okay, now again as I have taken this num and dividing and reducing the number, so I have temporarily I will save this number in somewhere else, right? See here I have saved the temporary. That's why, because input data I want in future, that's why I have taken temporarily. So temporarily temp variable have the given data, right? Again I will move back our given data into the num only, because it is already reduced here. So I don't want the reduced count, I want exact count. So I'm taking back to the original count into the num variable. Now next step will be the validation. Okay, let me copy this. I will show you here how we can calculate it. Suppose in this example, right? Finally we need something like this, right? So for that I want, let me remove this, otherwise you will get confusion. So later we can add it. In this calculation I want the power digit anyhow I have here count, right? Now I want individual digit. So if I give 371, I need individually 3 I want separately, 7 I want separately, and 1 I want separately. So for that I can use I can do 371 mod of 10. If I mod operation, if I perform, the remainder will be I will get. In this case, remainder I will get 1. So that I can consider. Again, if I do the same thing for 37, I will get the remainder as 7. If I give again the 3 mod of 10, remainder I will get 3. Similarly, I want some, I will set the variable. That's why I have taken this remainder. I have taken this remainder. I using to get the individual digit. Okay, the res I have taken the variable to store the final output. Similarly, I have written the same logic here. So I have taken the while loop. Number is greater than or equal to 0. It will keep on perform the operation inside the loop. So first is I need to take the remainder now. So first I want the first digit I want, right? So I will take the first digit by using num mod of 10. So in this case, num mod of 10 means num already we have 371 mod of 10. So in that case, remainder will have the output is now in this case remainder equal to 1 now. Anyhow, I have the res I have by default I have taken the 0 value plus the math power of remainder comma count. In that case, it will take the power of remainder 3 now, right? So this operation will perform and it will save into the res again, res variable, right? Now in this case, after execution of this function, this statement, the res will have this output. Now it will have the 1 now. Then again I am dividing by the num by 10. So now I will have the num is equal to second loop. Now in this case, n is equal to 37 mod of 10. The remainder is equal to now in this case 7. So again it will do. Already res have some value. So res, what is the value? Res have the value as 1 plus the rem is 7 mod of 3. Now the output will be coming to the res. So this is how next step is the num is equal to 3. So it will keep on rotate until the num is greater than 0. This is how the calculation will take place. Final output will be saved in res. Now here in the next steps, what I am doing, I am just comparing if the res equal to temp, because res I have the after calculation I will get the output in res variable. This res variable I will compare with the temp having the original data. So original data in the sense the given data. So earlier I have taken some data I have saved in the temp variable, right? Same value I am comparing with the final output. If the res equal to temp variable means if both are same, post calculation the value is equal to the original input, then that number is called as Armstrong number. Okay, if it is not equal to the original data, so then we can consider as the given number is not a Armstrong. So I have written something, don't get confused, because just I want to highlight. Let me show you the output. Actually you will understand why I have written these many things and all. Let me run this program. Oh, something went wrong. What is that? Okay, so here see, this is the upcasting is required, as it is a casting we need to add because it is a math function is going on, right? So we need to convert that into the integer because res integer. Now it will work fine. Okay, if I run this program, it will ask to enter the digit. I will enter 23. In that case, it should say 23. It is double quoted. See guys, 23 is not Armstrong number. Why it is double quote? That's why to get the double quote only I have added here. Okay, let me 371. So it is saying 371 is a Armstrong number. Similarly, I will add some more digit whichever is the Armstrong number. Okay, these are all the Armstrong number. We'll see by running this. Let me add 307. So this is Armstrong number. Let me add some other value other than 111. Okay, it is not Armstrong. So this is how guys we can able to calculate the given number is Armstrong or not. Let me brief on this. First we should take the data from the keyboard by using the scanner class. Then we need to declare some variable whichever is required. Then we need to check how many digit available in the given input digit. Then we need to save temporarily to the, because as I already taken this value to the temp variable original value, I am taking back to the same number. As I explained earlier, here the exact validation takes place. Finally, we need to display output. If both are the final output is matches with the given input, we can declare as Armstrong number. If the final output is not matching with the given input, though, then we can consider say the given number is not a Armstrong number. This also we can the validation, the most importantly validation we can check by debugging the point. So let me right click and show you. You will get exact idea like how these things are working. Let me run in the debug mode. Let me add 371. Let me go press F6. Okay, now you can see here what are the initial steps it has taken. The num is equal to 371. So remainder is 0. Count is equal to already it has taken the 3, right? So the temp variable original value it has 371. Okay, now I am pressing F6. See, once I press F6, reminders will be calculating. See, reminder in the first steps I already told like remainder will be 1 first, right? Again, it will be calculate. The output of the RES will be 1 now. See, in the first step output will be 1. In the second loop, once your reminder, it will take as 7. Now the power operation will take place. The RES will be 344. The num in that case, it will come. Previously the num is equal to 37, earlier 371, now 37, now it will reduce to the 3 now, right? In the last loop, see, remainder is equal to 3. After calculation, the RES will be 371, but the original data we have already saved in the temp 371. Now it is come out of the loop because num is not greater than equal to 0, greater than 0, so it will come out of the loop and it will it will do the validation now. If RES equal to temp, yes, it is RES equal to temp. Now it is printing this statement. Now if I press again F6, in the output it is displaying like 371 is a Armstrong number. Hope this logic you understood. That's all for this video, and thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit like button. Please share with your friends if those who are looking for Java and Selenium concept, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further videos guys. Thank you.